Abahango ku rwego Minisitiri y'Ebyobahangwa bwensi n'ekitongole kya National Renewable Energy Platform nibagira ngo ekigendererwa kyabo n'okwenda ngo abantu bahindura amateekateekere n'emitwarize yabo ubwo barikurinda ebyobahangwa kutari kutema emiti barikwihamu amakara.
Renewable Energy Platform is an organization that is a tripod organization that brings together. It's like a tripartite organization that brings together the Ministry of Energy, the government, the financiers, and also the private stakeholders.
Okuchondoza okukozerwa National Renewable Energy Platform nukoreka ngo abantu barikurenga nkaga nabafa buri mwaka abo kwisya omwiko gukurwa mu nku.
Already there is research that about 23,000 people die per year from using these traditional cooking methods, from the fuels that are coming from the traditional cooking methods. So that is about 64 people per day that are dying.
Ubwate ekitongole kino kyegesa abantu okuba kubasa kukoresa emiringo endijo kuteeka batokize makara.
We have apart from the electric pressure cookers that we have, there are other several technologies that are out there that is the ethanol cook stoves. Ethanol is the amount, it's like fuel, it's like fuel that is got from plants. It's manufactured from sugar cane, maize.
Abebembezi aba district Isingiro nibagira ngo nk'abebembezi bagerezaho kurwana so kushisha ebyobahangwa nko kwosya ebishara nebibera beito muzo gucuruho.
Traditional abantu ntibikiririza umukozi abo kuba kosya ebinyansi ninga ibindi bateka ngo bikwijana na ebimusabirije kokiri imyaka yo of course kikakira kubi
no mwazo no mukasheshe no zaraka sakindi neza dukuzomukangaza no kumanyisa imbera yes ekigihindurire n'emirimo yitu abantu
abatura hati nibashaka gukurikiriza ebirukwegesa ubwa ebigenderero kurwana so kutekesa enku n'amakara ebirukugama mu kuguru kutegana samagara g'abantu
n'ibyo ni kandi nimbone cyo kuri kunga mutyanguze futeka bana dene tinde bari kiganaga manati abajungu bakamanya okusevinga bantu mutweje okusevinga ekintu kisevinga muvurikize cyo kuyana amashobezi units zikutwara kana kantu kake mu
waba noteka urukoze separation cooking n'amasuku kugira ngo umuru kubana ubugamo kuba kutakuzana yitase free
Gashakwa Felix Nduhura.